Hi, this is Dan Altman. I'm with MarineMax. I'd like to take you through a 38 Boston Whaler Realm. This is a brand new 2020 model. We just got it in. Starting with the transom, we put the new 400 Mercury Verado. These are the wide upgraded engines. They're joystick control. Great package. I don't know if you can see off of the props, but we also have underwater lights on this boat. They're blue. You can see the reflection. We have a walk-through transom, which is a great feature. Freshwater shower, rod holders across the back, rod holders on each side. With the seat folded away in the aft, you have nice bolsters so when you're fishing. Dive ladder stored here that goes into the opening dive door. This is a pull-out seat, so you can see the high backrest, extra thick cushion. Really nice for cruising comfort. This seat is unique, so it's really a 3-level seating. It has 3 rows, including the back. So I have a footrest that pulls out. I can wash my baits as I fish. I can lounge, hang out in the sandbar. Underneath here is a cooler, so it's a built-in cooler. Very nice feature. Beside the dive door, I'll shut that. You have a summer kitchen. You see the barbecue grill, we have it open, and when it swings away, it creates a counter space. Refrigerator underneath, drawer storage, a sink, and this folds away as well. It's a nice counter space. Built-in cup holders, third person seating, so 3 across at the helm. This seat swivels all the way around, so if this is back, you do have footrest for both of these, so you have picnic style seating, and there's an optional table that's included on this boat. What I like is I got easy walk around, great ergonomics at the helm. You can see your 2 rows for your feet. 3 screens across on this boat, that's a big option. You can control the entire boat from the Marine screen, which locks into your phone, which is also on an iPad, which comes with this boat. So all the digital switching, lights, pumps, everything comes with it. Even air conditioner control is in this screen. Your chalk plotter, your fish finders on this boat, and we have other upgrades as well. Here's your digital throttle and shift, that's standard by Mercury. Your joystick, which is an option, has skyhook feature, it hovers, and an autopilot is included in that. And it's off to the side, which is nice because I can easily see down the side of my boat and dock it. This one has the opening side, which we like in Florida because you get more airflow. There is a curtain that fills in. That is an option, but it's included on this boat, the weather curtains are. Stepping across, this is a nice feature because you can close that off. There's a lower for the walkway that also closes off. And you go to the Bahamas, you have total protection from the wind if you get caught in a rainstorm, or if you're in cold weather, it's really comfortable. You can see the hydraulics are strong on that, so you don't have to worry about safety. Down in the cabin, it's a very large cabin for a 38-foot boat. So you have a table that's in the down position now, so the cushions come across, makes that a very large bed. You've got an enclosed head and shower in there as well. A little wet bar, microwave, and refrigeration is down there. You've got storage in the sides as you go to the front. 2 storage drawers. Walk into the front. Another storage. And then storage underneath these seats. You have a nice lounger. You have fold-down armrest with cup holders built in. Whaler's really smart in the engineering. They put a lip in the fiberglass behind the seats, keeps the water, makes it go off the boat versus behind the seats. Great longevity. Windshield wipers in case you get in the rain. This boat has a radar. It has the racks if you want to add in wakeboards or paddle boards, you can put them on the racks. This is a high-low table. It's got a wood top, and then you have an anchor with a windlass. Again, my name is Dan Altman with MarineMax here in Stuart. My number is 561 762-5777. Give me a call, take you on the tour.